The Faroe Islands, a self-governing region within the Kingdom of Denmark in the northern Atlantic. This set of islands is very isolated, and only 3 airlines fly here, all from Europe. The flagship carrier is Atlantic Airways. Oh my goodness, how exciting! Welcome to the Faroes! Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome to the Faroe Islands. Let's see what kind of fun and excitement we're going to get into on adventures in this beautiful set of 18 islands in the northern Atlantic. And this weather feels amazing. Just got a rental car, flew in, and go find a waterfall. Seriously, not even 5 minutes into our drive. Just look at the views. Oh my goodness, they're incredible. Boom, that's beautiful. Play the drinking game of how many times I say that on this trip. The drive is only 7 miles from the airport, and once you're there, there's very limited parking, so be patient. And once parked, it's a 2-minute walk to beauty. Along the way, we saw a helicopter hard at work, probably taking supplies out to the other islands. These helicopters are owned by Atlantic Airways and also used as passenger service to the other islands. Welcome to Mulasafur Waterfall, and I'll put all the titles of everything in the bottom of the screen because I can't pronounce it and y'all can do your best to. But this is not even maybe 20 minutes from the airport. Let's go down and have a good look at this famous waterfall. That's kind of random. Dog's just chilling. He's been chilling the whole hike now. Holy cow, that's stunningly beautiful. After enjoying the view for a while, we had to get driving to Torshavn to get to our Airbnb and then go find dinner. I chose the Airbnb route because hotels are very pricey on the Faroe Islands. The location was just outside of town, but perfect if you have a rental car. So, finally arrived after some sightseeing in the 45-minute drive from Vagar Airport. I'm in Torshavn, the capital, if I'm pronouncing that right too. Nice view, can't complain. I'm at my Airbnb right behind me. It's like an attic, so let's go inside, take a look around, and look how comfortable and chill it is. Kitchen, and up. What up, Troy? Simple and easy, and then pretty dope bedroom. How can you complain with that? Oh, I almost forgot the bathroom. Shower isn't made for tall people. We had a great view of the harbor. Fishing boats, ferry boats, cruise ships. Let's go into town and eat. Being one of the smallest capitals in the world, Torshavn has a population of about 14,000 people, which sits on its biggest island on the southeast coast. These red buildings here is the oldest parliament in the world. More on that later though. The currency here is the Faroese krona or the Danish krone. We abruptly found out you must have reservations to most restaurants, so we found an Irish pub for a pint and some good food. Chips, and it looks like some delicious lamb with a peppercorn sauce. After stuffing our faces, enjoying some good beer and food, we wandered around the harbor. Torshavn was named after the god of thunder. You guessed it, Thor. So the town means Thor's harbor. On the other side of the harbor is Tinganes, which is the oldest parliament in the world. In the Viking ages of 825, Norwegian colonists placed their ting here, which is parliament. So this area means parliament jetty. Exploring this old part of town with the cobblestones, the red buildings, grass roofs, felt like a blast from the past, because these buildings were built back in the 16th, 17th centuries. And I don't know about you, after all this walking, I'm ready for a pint. We stumbled upon what looked like a locals kind of pub. We tried a few local beers, listened to the locals, checked out the cellar. We called it an early night. That way we could get some good shut-eye for all the action to come. Thank you for enjoying this first day with me in the Faroe Islands. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already.